Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications from apps of your choosing on this device. First of all, you need to access Devices Settings and click on Notifications after scrolling down. Then choose App Settings and click on Most Recent. Over here, select one of those options. I will go with All Apps and tap on the switcher next to an app from which you don't want to receive notifications from. I will go with Calendar. As you can see, all notifications from Calendar are now disabled. If you wish to enable them, click on the same switcher. But you can also click on one of your apps over here instead and manage all notifications by clicking on this switcher next to all calendar notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!